Here I'm going to show you how to set up exposure bracketing on a Panasonic Lumix DC-G9. This will let you take 5 photographs, each at a different exposure, when you press the shutter button. Switch the camera on, and with the mode dial, select A for aperture priority. And make sure that the lower drive mode dial is set to single. On the back of the camera on the right, you'll find the control dial. The outer ring can be rolled left or right to navigate through the menu options, or used like a cursor with 4 buttons to navigate up, down, left, or right. And in the middle, you'll find the Menu Set button. Press the Menu Set button and the menu appears on screen. We'll be starting with the Record menu, illustrated by the red camera icon. You can see that this menu is made up of 5 pages, and you should arrive on page 1. By either rolling the outer ring of the control dial to the right, or by pressing the down cursor, navigate to the final page of the Record menu, page 5. The first item on page 5 is Bracket. To access it, press the Menu button. Here we need to select which type of bracket we want. For now, the bracketing is off. Press the Menu button to open the bracketing menu. We need to select Exposure Bracket, which is the first item on this menu. Use the up cursor to highlight it. And to select it, press the Set button. Below Bracket Type is another option, More Settings, and we need to access this too. Use the down cursor to highlight it, and then press the Menu button to select it. Here, the first item, Step, manages how many photographs you want to take and at which EV spacing. Press the Menu button to access it. The next item gives you a choice of photographs and EV spacings. Using the down cursor, select 5.1. This is to say that you have selected a bracketed set of 5 photographs and with a spacing of 1 EV. As 1 EV is the highest available EV spacing on the G9, then this is the best spacing to use. 1/3 and 2/3 are fractions of an EV, so it's always best to use the full EV. The G9 also has the option to take a set of 7 bracketed photographs, and you should use this if your scene has a wide dynamic range. That is to say, very bright areas to very dark areas. With your selection of 5 photographs at 1 EV, to save it, press the Set button. So that you can take all 5 photographs just by holding your finger on the shutter button, here you'll need to adjust the third item on this menu, Single Shot Setting. To highlight this, press the lower cursor button twice, and open it by pressing the Menu button. Using the lower cursor, select the icon that looks like a group of photographs. Then, to save it, press the Set button. To leave this part of the menu and return to the main menu, press the left cursor twice. All you need to do now is to keep the camera still, press and hold down the shutter button until all your photographs are taken.